Good morning, my dear children and parents. How are you all? Everyone is fine? Good. Be happy, be smiling. So, children, welcome to your new class where we are going to study about the story how a dog changed to a tame, that is under control animal, and how he got his master from where he is, who all are whom he has taken as his master, and how he changed his life from a wild animal to a tamed animal. Okay, so we will be studying about different kind of masters for the dog whom he considered as the master, but finally whom he has chosen as his master. Okay, so here we are coming with the lesson. So what is the name of the lesson? How the dog found himself a new master. Okay, so the first paragraph is: dogs were once their own master and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill-pleased, means old-fashioned way of saying what? Not happy. With this way of life, he was sick and tired of wandering. Wandering means to move here and there without any aim. About by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. So now what is told in these lines? Dogs and wolves are closely related family, and there were times when dogs used to wander and live freely just like wolves without any restrictions and constraint. So ये उस टाइम की बात है जब डॉग फ्री होके घूमता था, जैसे राजा महाराजा घूमते हैं, जैसे वॉल्स घूमते थे. इन द सेम वे डॉग यूज्ड टू रोम हियर एंड देयर. सो वंस what happened कि such a dog was born who was sick of finding food for himself and was unable to move freely in search of food. Once what happened कि child was sick and he was not able to find his fooding. So he feel tired and was scared of healthier and stronger beings than him. So he was scared with the human beings or with the animals who all are stronger than him. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. So now what happened? Your servant means who work for others, and master is the owner. So after thinking continuously, he decided to work as a helper or a servant to someone who was stronger than him, was the most powerful creature on the earth. So he started searching for the strongest one whom he can serve as a master. So now see who is the creature, who is the animal next to the dog. See in the picture, it is wolf. So now see what is there in the paragraph. He walked and he walked and he met a kinsman. Kinsman means his relative. A big wolf who was as strong as he was, fierce, frightening. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. Now wolf is asking dog where he is going. I am looking for someone to take up service with, means to become servant of. Would you like to be my master, wolf? Now dog is saying that I am so tired and I am looking for a person who can make me his servant. Now he is asking the wolf, would you become my master? I don't see why not, the wolf said. So he is saying why not? Who is saying? Wolf is saying why not? I will be your master. And he agreed upon. The two of them went on together. So both of them agreed on this and they were having a long walk. So his first master offering was given to a wolf. The dog has given first master offering to the wolf, And who is the wolf? Wolf was his kinsman. Okay. Now coming to the second part. They walked and they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed. Sniffed means draw up air audibly through the nose to detect something. मतलब खूब गहरी गहरी सांसें लेना कि सूंघे यहाँ पे है क्या. Darted, moved quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. What comes over you? Means affected you. Why you are doing so? He asked. What has frightened you so? Can't you see? So now Wolf is saying that, can't you see? There's a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me. So now he is saying, who is saying this? Wolf is saying, can't you see that bear is there? He is much stronger than me and he can eat both of us. Okay, so he is saying that. Next paragraph. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. So next creature is, after the wolf, who is the master? Bear. The bear agreed to this readily and said, let's go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. So here, on realizing that, in this line it is told that on realizing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog changed his mind. Okay, so he left the wolf and turned to the bear. He asked the bear to be his master. So bear agreed it very easily, and he suggested him to search for the herd of cows, that means group of cows, so that he could kill a cow to find his meal or to fill their stomach. Okay, this is what there. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. But just as they were about to come up to hit, they were stopped by a terrible noise. Terrible means horrible noise. The cow was moving loudly and running in panic in all the directions. Panic means a strong feeling of fear. So now what happened? After walking some distance, who are they here? Dog and bear noticed a group of cows, but as they tried to approach them, as they tried to go near them, they were stopped by a horrible noise made by the cows. They were mooing aloud and were running here and there because of fear. काउस क्या थे, इधर उधर दौड़ रही थी क्योंकि उन्हें अंदर से डर लग गया था. किस चीज़ का डर था वो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट वाज द डर? लेट्स सी. The bear looked out from behind a tree, and then he ran too hastily, means fast, hurriedly, deeper into the forest. Now, why did I have to come here? He said to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The lion? Who is he? Don't you know? He is the strongest beast, means wild animal on earth. Well, then I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. So now what happened here in this paragraph? So the third master for him, or the third choice, it is a lion. So what happened? The bear looked from behind the tree. See how it is there in the picture? The tree is there and bear and dog is behind the tree. See in the picture it's shown. So bear looked from behind the tree and started running quickly into the dense forest. He told the dog that this part of the forest was ruled by the lion. He was the strongest and the most powerful animal on this earth. The dog was surprised to hear this and he immediately left the bear. उसे जैसे ही पता चला कि bear से भी कोई strong है, he left that particular creature and went to the lion. What he do? Let's see. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good time, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dare means to be brave to do something. आप लोग ट्रूथ एंड डेयर गेम खेलते हो ना, एक होता है ट्रूथ, एक होता है डेयर. डेयर में कुछ ऐसा काम करना होता है जो कि किसमें बहुत बोल्डनेस चाहिए होती है, ब्रेवनेस चाहिए होती. इट इज़ द सेम मीनिंग फॉर डेयर्ड. टच द डॉग टू ऑफेंड. ऑफेंड मीन्स अपसेट और annoy him in any way. ठीक है. So what is there in this lines? In these lines, so now dog turned to the lion and requested him to be his master. So lion accepted it without any if and but, and the dog started staying with him, and he served him for a longer duration, longer time. He felt good and enjoyed his life. Who is he here? Dog. Dog felt very good and he enjoyed his life. He had nothing to fear and complain of. Now he was with the strongest master. Here no one was brave enough to upset him. Dog को कोई भी दुखी नहीं कर सकता, कोई सता नहीं सकता था, because he was staying with the strongest person of the strongest creature of the jungle. Okay, so now next. But what happened one day? Let's see. क्या होता है अभी? But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid. Amid means in the middle of bare cliff. What is that cliff? A steep high rock often at the edge of the sea. जो आपके समुद्र के ऊपर जो rocks के वो होती है ना, cliffs, that is that. When all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw, with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. What is this, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. Because dog was surprised that he was staying with the strongest beast, then why the things are happening? Why he is getting back? I smell a man coming this way, said the lion. We would better run for it or we will be in trouble. Oh well, then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Now see, his next master offering was given to the human being. So he's saying that sometime later when the two of them, so two of them is here like lion and dog, both were walking, strolling in the between of the steep rocks. The lion stopped instantly. अचानक से रुक गया. Why? He roared aloud and struck the ground with his paws so intensely that the hole was formed. इतने जोर से उसने पकड़ लिया था जमीन को कि वहाँ पे गड्ढे हो गए थे. After that he was backfoot. Backfoot पीछे आया. Surprisingly, the dog asked his master if anything was wrong. He told him that a man was coming their way and that they must run away to save themselves. Otherwise, hearing this, the dog bit him because he wanted the strongest being on the earth as his master. So he left the lion and he went near the human being. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day, the dog is the most loyal servant and known no other master. So now what happened? So now dog went to be with the man. He stayed with him and became his true friend and servant. And this incident took place way back, but till date, the dog is the most faithful servant of the human being or the man. So in the story, So in this tale, we have seen that how dog became the tamed animal for the human being, and who all are become his masters. His masters were, first he is chosen as wolf, then bear, and then lion, and finally he has taken human being as his master. Okay, so this is in the lesson. So go through the lesson, read again. If any doubt is there, to ask me. And in the next video we will be coming up with the summary as well as with the question answers of the lesson. Children, if you have any kind of doubt, please ask me. Do not hesitate, and whatever work you are doing, please forward me so that I can check it out also. Okay, so bye my dear children, take care.